everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with them as a soap stories, and today we're talking about the River season 5 finale. Guys, Lunga Mofokeng, who plays Andile on the River, shared a very confusing message on Twitter which left many people confused if he is also leaving the show or not. Nansegeli message abe balile. It's been good. Farewell my good friends. Hashtag the River one magic. This message guys really left many people confused, especially on the comment section, if he was bidding farewell to the characters we know they were leaving the show, like Paulina, Zolani and Zweli, or he was also leaving the show. He was bidding farewell to his followers. We don't know. This is how people interpreted his post. The first person said, Yane, this is it. Your smile will surely be missed, and that naughty laughter to love and light. All the best in your future finals. I pray God to bless you. The man is bidding farewell to my good friends, who responded the followers. He is not going anywhere. Then the other one said, everyone read this like you leaving. You are leaving, but I read it as if you are bidding farewell to Zolani and other exiting. So which one is it? Batung, liwena hape. Khanti, what's happening there? Guys, he is bidding farewell to his friend, aka colleagues, goodbye, not Luna. So yeah guys, this is the confusion actually. Abanye bathi ubeshogiti as my followers, abanye bathi no, he was just bidding farewell to Abo Zolani, no Paulina, no Zweli, as they were as it was their final appearance on the show on the last episode, season 5. So yeah guys, we are really confusing impela. Please read this post now. Best we are sure to uyeno hambayo, or he's just bidding farewell to his friends. But guys, like really, I don't think they can all leave Ulindiwe alone in that house. No, I don't think so. But anyway guys, do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.